So dear parents, if you remember, we have already read these 20 sight words in 2 different videos. You can go back to my channel and check the videos how to read the sight words and how to make the kid read the sight words. Today we will learn the next 10 sight words, which is the third set of sight words. Right? So let's see. So dear parents, in this video we'll be learning these 6 sight words. So let's know how to read them. An, A, N, an, A, N, an. So, S, O, so, S, O, so. At, A, T, at, A, T, at. B, E, B. For, F, O, R, for, F, O, R, for. And, A, N, D, and, A, N, D, and. So in this video I have taught you 2 methods. First you have to read the words, then you have to spell them, right? That I did, both the methods I did in this video. And the third method, which is arm tapping, that we'll do in my next video. So please do watch the video. Thank you.